Wireless Mechanical Keyboard LOFREE 4 Seasons Bluetooth Keyboard Review 2019. Retro Vintage Style Mechanical Keyboard. A colorful wireless Mac mechanical keyboard inspired by the Vintage Typewriters. Its colorful design and mechanical keyboard makes typing easier, more enjoyable, and adds a touch of glamour to your setup and workspace. Wireless Bluetooth and USB cable dual mode. Our vintage keyboard can connect Bluetooth 3.0 or below devices including smartphones, tablets, laptops. PC.Comes with detachable USB cable. You can charge the keyboard as well as shifting to wired mode per your needs. Strong Compatibility Mac Layout Keyboard. It is one of the few that feature Mac layout with the same as Mac keyboard. You can connect up to 3 different devices, whether it's a Mac, Android, or Windows on LOFREE Bluetooth Keyboard. Easily switch between them with a quick switch. Durable Gateron Blue Switch. Tactile and Clicky with a bump feel. Gateron Blue Switch is louder than other mechanical switches. When typing with a lifespan of 50 million keystrokes, we want to make sure that you experience the same feedback for every keystroke. Long-lasting built-in battery. Built-in 4000 mAh rechargeable battery. You can get pleasure from up to 7 days of writing time with only one charge. Features 3 different white LED backlit settings. Whether you're working in the dark and want to adjust to the full backlit or you just want the keys to be visible, click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.